Okay, everyone. So today we are going to analyze this deal. Is fourplex in Sacramento. So first, I'll show you how to do it in 5 minutes. And let me share away. 1979 3072 price. Okay. Whoop. Price 95. 9500. Leave 7%, 20-year down, 30 years. Insurance. Okay, insurance here is approximately 31, 317, so 3804. Okay, and the Sacramento 1.25 tax rate, so the rate is 11875. Okay, no HOA. Okay, so this fourplex mortgage payment, DSCR 7% rate is about $6,363. Okay, and then we come to see here, he was saying each unit is 2-1, and each unit after remodeling it 2000, 2033, 2033. So one unit is rented and 3 is vacant. So when we do DSCR loan, you assuming it's rented. So you will put the rent as a market rent, other income. So the ratio 1.28. So this green deal is green. So this one is meet DSCR requirement. How simple is that? And if you want to pursue it further, okay, as an investor, you can look it up, seeing you add vacancy allowance, property management, maintenance, and capex reserve. Usually for DSCR lender, we don't consider this number into it, but as an investor, you should. So vacancy allowance, seeing this one, since it's 3 unit, it's still, need to be rented. I put 3. Property management, if you self-manage, you still need to put it. Let's say I manage myself, but I'm still put 5. Maintenance, just remodeling, so I just leave it as 5. Capex 5. Okay, so monthly cash flow, actually I am negative when add on this reserve and everything. So let's see, if I put 5, how's the cash flow doing? Okay, if I put 5% vacancy rate, so I'm still have NOI 78,000, my cash flow 143. So after rented full, you put 5% vacancy, even if it's full, you likely would cash flow about $200. Okay, so let's after cash flow, and then here cash to close. So to close this, as a buyer, you need 3% closing cost. Rehab, let's say you don't have to rehab on a turnkey. Take out, so they bring cash 218,005. So cash on cash is very low, 0.8%, but it's not something surprise for California. Return projection. So rent growth in Sacramento is very good. So, but I still put it conservative at 3%. To be conservative. Annual rent growth. Expenses probably similar. I would say appreciation, I would be conservative at 2%. Cost of sale 5%. So in 5-year return 8.3, and 10-year, if you hold after 10 years, you get about 15.5 IOR. IOI, which is not too bad. IRA is 10.6. So rent control on in Sacramento is not that. Earthquake is no. Insurance market hardening. Sacramento's okay. So I'm still, this is a good deal considered after the rent is full. So, but I know Sacramento, especially in downtown Midtown, is very good. rental area. And the cap rate, if they want to pursue cap rate as of the 6% in that cash on cap 15. Okay. So my offer is gonna be, they asking 950. Okay, so if a DSCR reserve, so conservative most con 634. So my offer might fall in between $700,000 or $800,000, or maybe a little bit over eight, but not over nine. That's my thinking. So that's gonna be my quick underwriting. So now I know, you know that this deal is green. Okay, bye, Tay.